Namaste. Astrology is very complicated. Now there is a course to learn astrology. It's 7 years course because it's very complicated. There is so much. It's like a maths or science kind of. You have to learn very deeply. Then only you can predict perfectly. There are many astrologers. They predict whatever they feel like, and people's life change because they take decision as per this astrologer. Today I will tell you one astrologer story who was a teacher, then later he became an astrologer. He used to charge little bit, but thing is, he predict and say, like share his views to the people, and their life changed. I mean, they had a very hard time. For example, when you match for the marriage, girls and boys astrology chart, there will be many things you have to look after. For example, sexual compatibility, and if they have kids or not, if they stay long or not, if they get divorced, if they stay good with the family, or there are many things. If their understanding is different or what, there's so many things they have to say. It's not only percentage. It's not only about percentage. If something is not missing, then marriage life will completely gone. There are many people stay married, but they are not happy only because this astrologer, they said like, okay, you can marry, and in the end they found they are not happy with the marriage. They will have kids. They smile very nicely, and they have people will feel like they are very happy with the married life, but inside they are missing something, or they are not happy because of the like a suggestion given by the astrologer. So this astrologer used to do this kind of business for many years. Now he is very 85 years old, and he was very simple man. There is one scooter called MAT. I will post picture if it's possible. I will see if I find that scooter he used to use, and he used to have very simple life. And later he didn't had a kid only. See, astrologer have many problems. Even he don't know solution for his own problems. Many astrologer, you just check astrologer's personal life. He has many problems and he don't know the solution. He gives solution to the people, but for his problem he don't have any solution. So this astrologer never had a kid. Later his wife also died. Now he is alone and he has so much money. Recently there is one temple and they called him, and they have planned to build a AC community hall for marriages. He donated 1 crore rupees for that. Imagine. He had whole life was very simple. He never spent lots of money for his pleasure or anything. Simple man. But in the end, he had a 1 crore rupees. Even I got shocked. He had a 1 crore rupees to donate for a AC hall, community hall. I'm not against him. Like, you can donate anywhere he want, but for AC hall, it's like he will get more fame by that. That's it. It's very crazy life of astrologer. If you know any story like this, please share here and in comment, and please comment below and tell me what you think about this story.